Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sand carts is probably one of the most important investments you can make for a relaxing and enjoyable beach day, ensuring you can easily transport all your gear without the hassle of multiple trips or strained muscles. This video will help you navigate the world of sand carts, comparing features, durability, and ease of use to help you find the perfect cart for your beach adventures, no matter the size of your family or the amount of gear you need to haul. Number 5. BEAU JARDIN Folding Wagon. It features two handles, a telescopic pull handle for easy steering and an adjustable push handle for comfortable use, regardless of your height. From beach trips to gardening, it's perfect for hauling all your gear. It easily carries chairs, coolers, sports equipment, and even your pets. This wagon is built to last with a heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced base, supporting up to 500 pounds. The durable fabric is tear-resistant. For large all-terrain wheels and 360 degrees rotating front wheels provide a smooth ride over various surfaces. Brakes ensure safety and easy maneuvering. It offers ample space for all your items. Plus, it folds compactly for easy storage in your car or closet. No assembly required. With its versatility, durability, and ease of use, it's the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures and everyday tasks. What we like. It features adjustable push and pull handles for versatile use and a heavy-duty frame that can support up to 500 pounds. If you need a sturdy and versatile wagon for various terrains and heavy loads, this is the perfect choice for you. Its easy folding design makes storage a breeze, ideal for those with limited space. What people say. Biggest helper. I love the size of it. The design makes it very convenient and easy to use. Really good quality and worth the price. It's a great cart and I dare say it is a pretty solid option you'd best consider. I like the large size of the wagon. I love the large wheels also. It maneuvers really well in the house. It has held up well. I've only had the wagon for 2 weeks but so far I love it. I have been able to carry very heavy items across grass. The wheels are great. They seem very sturdy. The wagon arrived already assembled. It easily opens and closes for storage. Number 4. Overmont Collapsible Wagon. It boasts a massive capacity and can support a significant amount of weight, easily handling all your gear. The convenient side pocket lets you carry everything you need in one trip, making your adventures hassle-free. Unlike other carts, it features wide all-terrain wheels with dual bearings for superior stability and maneuverability. These wheels make transport smooth and easy, no matter the terrain. It's crafted from strong steel and durable fabric, handling even the toughest tasks. The front wheels with brakes and swivel functions ensure smooth control. It folds down in seconds to a compact size, saving you valuable storage space. It easily fits into your car, garage, or closet. The removable fabric makes cleaning effortless. Simply detach and wash the fabric to keep it looking new, even after muddy outings. It's perfect for camping, beach trips, and grocery shopping. Load it up and enjoy every adventure with ease, say goodbye to heavy lifting. What we like. This wagon boasts a massive capacity and specialized side pockets for long items. Its wide all-terrain wheels provide superior stability and maneuverability on any surface. If you prioritize easy cleaning and need a wagon that can handle various terrains with ease, this is for you. What people say. The wagon is very sturdy and has a solid feel. The fabric is durable and is likely resistant to tearing as well as it is easy to clean. It unfolds and folds up surprisingly quickly and compactly, making it easy to store even in small spaces. The wheels are another highlight. They're big, rugged, and handle different terrains well. Whether it's pavement, dirt, or grass, the wagon moves smoothly. It holds a large amount of stuff and it is sturdy. One trip, maneuvers with ease. Number 3. MacSports All-Terrain Wagon. This heavy-duty wagon is perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Its large wheels easily handle various terrains, from sandy beaches to snowy paths. It boasts a spacious interior that can hold up to 150 pounds of gear. Plus, the handy side table and mesh pockets keep your essentials organized. With its large, all-terrain wheels, it effortlessly navigates sand, dirt, grass, and even snow. Say goodbye to struggling with heavy loads. It folds compactly to under 10 inches, making it easy to transport and store. It's perfect for those who value space and convenience. Made from durable 600D polyester and a powder-coated steel frame, it's built to withstand years of use. It's an investment in outdoor fun that will last. When open, it measures 44.9 L x 21.4 W x 24.6 H inches. When folded, it's a compact 31.5 L x 21.4 W x 9.7 H inches and weighs 27 pounds. What we like. It has large wheels for better grip on rough surfaces and a convenient side table for extra space. It folds to a small size for easy storage. If you're looking for a beach wagon with added convenience and easy portability, this is a great option for you. What people say. Opens very easily with no assembly required. Comes with a cover, which is nice. One of the features that convinced me to pick it was the big wheels that make maneuvering and hauling a snap. Having the two wheels in the front make guiding it in and out of tight areas at the show was wonderful. Extremely sturdy. Purchased this for the beach, but we can use this for multiple family things. It has a weight capacity of 150 pounds, wheels are big, and that was a reason I chose this model. Being able to have a lot of items loaded in but be able to navigate sand, grass, etc., it definitely meets expectations. Nylon material of the cart and also the handles when folded are sturdy and don't feel cheap. No concern of breaking down with this material. Easy to adjust pull handle with manual lock to desired length. Pulling it along the soft sand was a breeze. It rolled over the sand with ease. It turned nicely without tipping. The quality, stability, and capacity were important to me, but mostly the large wheels are the differentiator because it actually works in soft sand. Number 2. YITAHOME 200L Wagon. It's been upgraded with a stronger frame and larger wheels, so it can now hold up to 200 liters and 265 pounds. The handy mesh cover keeps everything secure and makes transporting your camping gear a breeze. This wagon is built to last, with reinforced fabric and a sturdy steel frame. It's tough enough to handle heavy loads and resist tearing, so you can rely on it for years to come. It provides a smooth and easy ride, thanks to its anti-slip features and large wheels. The swivel front wheels with brakes make navigating rough terrain a simple task. It folds and unfolds quickly and easily, making it perfect for storage. The fabric handle on the cover makes it easy to carry around. It's great for all your transportation needs, whether you're running errands, heading to the beach, or going camping. It's versatile and ready for anything. What we like. This wagon offers a large capacity and big wheels for easy transport on various terrains. The mesh cover keeps your items secure. If you need a wagon with ample space and a secure cover for your belongings, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Awesome wagon. Very easy to fold and unfold, extra long handle, easy to pull in sand or grass, very large storage space, and extremely well made. The actual campsite was down a rather rugged path from where my car was parked, and this wagon was a champion, moving multiple pieces of camp furniture, lantern, water, food, coolers, stove, portable grill and propane bottles and other stuff down to the site, and then back up when it was time to load out. This thing is rock solid. The large wheels take on rough ground like it was nothing, the wheel locks are useful if you're not on perfectly level surfaces, and the removable rigid floor allows you to collapse and store it neatly for transport or in your gear storage area. Although it was a bit challenging to assemble, the result was totally worth it. This beach wagon has heft but is ready to maneuver. It has extras including a cover and inner pad. It will provide years of enjoyment. Number 1. YITAHOME Collapsible Wagon. It features robust big wheels that glide smoothly over rough surfaces. Enjoy convenient brakes for quick stops, making your journey easier and safer. This heavy-duty wagon can handle a lot of weight and has a huge capacity. It's perfect for all your outdoor adventures and daily tasks. A handy mesh cover keeps your cargo secure, while the tall handle and cup holders add extra convenience. It's designed with your comfort and safety in mind. This wagon collapses easily, saving you time and space. It's perfect for storage in your car or garage. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it can withstand the elements. It's tough, reliable, and ready for anything. What we like. This heavy-duty wagon features robust big wheels that conquer any terrain and a high weight capacity. It folds effortlessly for compact storage. If you need a durable and easy-to-store wagon for heavy loads and various terrains, this one is perfect for you. What people say. Seems sturdy and easy to open and close. As advertised, the wheels are wide for the beach or snow this time of year. This is an awesome wagon. It's huge. It holds all of our bags, the cooler, pool toys, clothing, snacks, and even room for my son. It's compact and easy to open and close and even has drink holders. The wheels are a beefy size to get over cracks in the sidewalk and across bumpy dirt paths. Sand is a challenge, but that's because there are no wheels made that actually roll in the sand. The wagon is a steel frame with sturdy canvas and is strong enough that you can fill it with heavy stuff, over 200 pounds, then drag it across the sand, and the fat wheels do a decent job at trying to turn. Wheels rotate easily, have brakes, and there is a collapsible handle to pull and maneuver the wagon. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.